Hello, all, and welcome back to Jolly Good Journeys. Continuing on my Albanian trip, from Berat, I've now come to Gjirokaster, which was a trip of around 180 kilometers. Let's start exploring this place.
Gjirokaster, the city of stone, has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2005. This is Ottoman Albania at its most intact, where entire neighborhoods became fortresses with watchtowers and defensive walls. The Old Bazaar thrummed with life. The warm scent of Berat baking in wood ovens, leather goods hanging in doorways. Old men gathered over glasses of raki, their animated conversations carrying through the crisp mountain air. Each stall preserved centuries of mountain commerce and tradition. Nestled among the market stalls stood the Bazaar Mosque, its simple minaret rising cleanly against the slate-roofed hillside, anchoring daily prayers amid the commerce. Dominating everything loomed Gjirokaster Castle. Snow-capped peaks stood sentinel behind, their white tips glowing against deep blue sky, the perfect backdrop for Albania's most formidable fortress. The castle gates opened to reveal rows of weathered Ottoman cannons, their barrels cold and pitted from centuries exposed to mountain weather. These weren't mere decoration. This fortress withstood Ali Pasha's sieges, World War II occupation, and even served as a prison under Enver Hoxha's regime. Stepping through felt like crossing centuries, from Ottoman defense to communist confinement, all layered into the same unyielding stone. From the ramparts, Gjirokaster spread below, a sea of slate roofs flowing down the hillside like molten metal, church domes catching sunlight among the stone. The valley cradled the city like a fortress in a green bowl. Up here, human persistence against mountains became strikingly clear. Inside, steep stone staircases wound through the fortress interior, worn smooth by countless boots over centuries. Echoes followed each step of walls that sheltered soldiers and commanders alike. Dim light filtered through narrow windows, revealing layers of plaster from different eras blended into one timeless structure. The courtyards revealed their secrets: crumbling towers, hidden passages, panoramic views opening at every turn. Cool wind moved freely through ancient gaps in the stone. Gjirokaster's stronghold felt alive with the weight of its defended past. The visit culminated at Ismail Kadare's childhood home, now a museum preserving the world of Albania's Nobel contender writer. Stone walls and wooden ceilings spoke of 19th century merchant life, while his family's books, manuscripts, and photographs brought his formative years intimately close. Each room felt like entering a novel's opening chapter. Standing in that quiet house, day 3 of my Albanian adventure traced a perfect arc: bazaar commerce through castle defense to literary legacy. Gjirokaster revealed itself as living memory. Warriors, writers, merchants etched into every slate roof and cobblestone. 3 days into Albania, each destination felt more essential than the last. The journey deepened beautifully.